Today we're going to talk about birds. Birds have the ability to fly. They have feathered structures off their hand, and it elongated from the, not the pterodactyl, but the quetzalcoatl. And so basically they evolved to fly away from enemies. Birds have, small everything inside their body. They have small lungs, and they have a simplified digestion tract. Now the reason for this is because they need to reduce all of that weight to be able to fly. In fact, when they are mating, their testicles will enlarge 200 times. The reason for this is because when they're not mating, they do not want those saggy testicles weighing them down. They don't want saggy, heavy ball sacks. So birds are really special. What they have is cloaca, and they have a vent, not an anus. So that's another thing that's really special about them. Cloaca is just a big opening to receive sperm. It's also like a place to store sperm, just in case the fertilization of the eggs up inside the female have not come down yet. Now, there is the vent, which is going to protrude both the white liquid and the darker color liquid. The reason for this is everything is broken down, and like humans, we have urates in our urine, but birds, they don't. They have the ability to, break down all of that acid a different way. So that's about birds' digestion. Let's get a little bit into why birds are cool. Now, the reason why birds are cool is because they can fly. And they do that by flapping their skeletal structure, and they have hollow bones. Now, a lot of people don't like saying hollow because hollow is kind of a play on words, because it's kind of like a spongy bone in there. So, and then they fly. And, an example of how they fly is they fly like this. They basically put their wings up and down and up and down. And so that's basically how they fly. Now, if you were to consider, well, how do they eat? They have a beak, and they eat a variety of food. They have fruit, seeds. A lot of the birds you see around here, they will eat garbage and anything that's on the floor, such as gulls. Do not call them seagulls unless they are by a sea. But anyway, so that would be, they don't have teeth. So they have this beak, and most birds, they're able to rotate it like this. And there is this one bird, it is able to eat grass. Well, geese are able to eat grass as well, but this bird actually has a ruminant inside of them. And that means that they can digest. They can ruminate it, and then they can put it back up their throat and then eat it again. It's very special. So why don't humans have that? Why do we have to just swallow food? Why can't I have ice cream sundae and a lot of peanuts in it, and why can't I regurgitate it and chew it up again? I don't know. Birds seem to have it all. So I hope you really like this bird episode today. It's been a lot of fun talking to you, and you have a great day.